My name is Dan Jordanson. I'm the sheet metal general foreman here for A.O. Reed, and I run the sheet metal shop. I've been here 22 years. Started here as an apprentice, worked my way up the ranks. Been the general foreman here for the last 8 years. We do about 1.5 million pounds a year of galvanized steel. That's not including any of the duct supports, the structural steel that we put out, or the stainless steel and black iron as well. That's all on top of that. All right, so here at A.O. Reed, we fabricate all of our own spiral duct. We fabricate anything from 28 gauge all the way up to 16 gauge spiral. We also do it in all different types of metals, stainless steel, brass, copper, aluminum. This is our coil line. Everything that starts in this shop starts from this machine here. It gets processed through this machine first. We have 5 coil stations on the back end of this machine. We typically hold all 5 of the standard gauges of galvanized. We can also process 16 gauge stainless and 16 gauge and 18 gauge mild steel. This machine takes 10,000 pound coils, levels them, and blanks them off into sizes that work for our laser. It also processes all of our 5-foot coil duct. This adds a Pittsburgh lock or a snap lock. It also adds notches and the formed on flange for TDF, which is the standard connector we use on most of our ductwork. We have a full round department here, round fabrication. We not only have a new construction side, but we also have a service division that we have to make sure that they have everything that they need as well. So you can see behind me here, we have, I would say on the high side of 10,000 fittings ready to go at any moment. All of our new construction side materials come out to us on an item list. And these guys in here basically pull those items off a list and finish the fabrication. And they assemble all of those different fittings and T-Ys and reducers. And we then package them up for the job sites, and they get palletized, and everything goes out to the job site labeled, ready to go. So this is our laser machine. It is a 5-foot by 10-foot laser bed table. Has actually 2 alternating pallet changing tables. This machine operates at around 2,600 inches a minute. It's been a huge upgrade in our fabrication. It seems to be able to process any of the material we throw at it. It actually has capacity up to 3/4 inch thick material, all the way down to 26 gauge. So this has really been a huge asset to the shop, figuring out new ways to use it to not only make what we do a little bit faster, but also cut down steps throughout the process of fabricating a part. So we've learned to add little pieces that we couldn't before because of limitations on our software or on the actual cut quality of what we had. But now with this machine, we're able to process some of those parts a little bit differently. So this is our new CNC press brake. This type of press brake is very new to us, but we're learning out new ways to use it in the different processes that we've been doing over the last 20 years, just trying to figure out ways to do it faster. So this machine, we can actually program a series of brakes into it, and the back gauge will automatically back up, move out of the way, and widen out depending on the brakes that we're going to do. So it knows ahead of time how we're going to fabricate that part, and it'll actually let us break up the flange and break up the L-shaped duct all in one shot. So it's been a huge time saver in the way that we manufacture our welded duct. Here at the front of the shop, this is where all the fittings get processed through, anything that isn't a full jointed duct. What we call fitting. You'll see anything up here from transitions, elbows, tapers, sheet metal taps, any small fitting under 56 inches will come through the front of the shop. These guys put all the kicks and the transitions, make sure if any cross breaking needs to be done. We also fabricate all of our sheet metal pans up in this side of the shop. All of our small sealing cans as well will get processed through the front here. All of our material that comes through, everything is assembled by hand. We have indicators on all of our stickers, on the different tie rod accessories that go on these ducts. We fabricate all of our own vane rail and vanes, and we install those in all of our elbows. So like literally when we say that everything is fabricated by hand from scratch, we mean it. You can see behind me, these guys are banging away on this duct. So they're installing corners and all the TDF flanges. They're also knocking together all of the snap lock longitudinal seams or the Pittsburgh longitudinal seams. We seal all the internal seams, water-based duct sealant. That way when our guys in the field install it, they don't have to reach inside and seal as they go. They only have to seal the connection. So this is our weld shop. We fabricate all of our heavy gauge welded duct in here. We have stainless steel fume hood exhaust, dishwasher exhaust. We also do grease duct black iron. Also fabricate all of our own roof legs and supports for our jobs. You see behind me, we have duct reinforcement going on large welded grease duct. We also do stick welding, TIG welding. We do specialty kitchen hoods. We also do custom sinks. We did a lot of custom sink work and bathroom work out at the Midway Museum. You know, we have the capabilities to do upwards of 3/4 inch plate. Just got finished doing some large 8-inch Schedule 40 pipe legs, duct supports. And when we're welding in here, we're also doing a lot of sectioning of ductwork. So when it gets on site, the field foreman only has to put together a smaller section of that puzzle instead of every piece individual. I've been here 22 years. It's been one of the best experiences of my life. The company has been great to my family. I pretty much grew up here in the sheet metal shop. I mean, as a kid, honestly, I came here as a child. My dad worked here, so he brought me in here when I was a kid, and I kind of fell in love with it. And when I grew up, became 18, I entered the apprenticeship. It just kind of grew from there. So I've never really looked back. It's been a great experience. Everybody here is like family, truly. You know, we all work together to get a common job done, and we're all working towards that common goal.